informers and patrons of the internet. This is a massive filming set for Coruscant. And it's actually so big that it's kind of hard to fit it all in the frame at once. Just one of those monster builds, I guess. I'll run you through it, piece by piece. As you can see, most of it is raised up by 2 bricks, and then I've got these off-brand, not Lego, 32 by 16 stud plate type things here on top. That's because I've got this awesome staircase going down. See? This awesome staircase. Yeah. Yeah, there's an awesome staircase right here. Those steps will take you down to these doors, where there is also a control panel for choosing where you want to go, because these doors are elevator doors. So you can get into this elevator to go to the Coruscant underworld. There is this orange and red building here, which is gray. Got a little vent thing there. It's got all these trans orange and trans red pieces. It looks really cool. And there's this thing, which is just some clear pieces and black pieces, and then you got a couple of bits and grating down there. Yeah. Plus, there's this incredibly detailed black wall with little gray stripe and lots of detail-y bits. This cool railing stuff at either side of the steps leading down to the elevator with some trans light blue actually in there, you know, it's good. And as if it wasn't already heavy enough with the sheer number of bricks it's made out of, there's this red weight here in this corner at the back that's not being occupied by anything because that's not where the set is. Yeah. And do you want to know how I made it? Well, do ya? Are ya ready, kids? This is how I made it. Except for the black wool, that wasn't actually made for this set. It's just a reusable element I've been using while filming the next episode of LEGO Star Wars Stop Motion Season 3, so you won't see that being made. Now you'll see how I made it. I started with this, but I won't show you me building that because that would just be too boring. So, starting from here, this blue and yellow platform of bricks, this is how I built it. And that's how I built it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Roll the sub advert.